What's good, YouTube? Itachi from Itachi Rules here again. Oh, that nigga stretching. And I just made a video to do some pack openings. Ain't nothing really serious. Ain't nothing really going on. I haven't done the pack opening video on Duel Links in a while, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. I haven't been playing much Duel Links these last couple days. Been taking a little bit of a break because I've been playing so much, and I didn't feel like doing the missions for 20. And I don't know. I'll play again. It's just I can't seem to get to who I want to get to, so I'll wait. I'll play more. I'm about to go back to GX, work on some stuff, and they have this new Jaden event, so I'm about to go try to do that. Okay. Still haven't pulled a Stardust on here. I don't think I've bought packs on here. I've been saving up my gems to do this little video. I got a Gen X controller, which is cool. I think I needed that to make a Gen X deck. I need a couple more of them if I want to go ahead and make the deck. But another X Saber card, which is good because I want to get more X Saber cards because I want to finish that deck out. Yes, give me more of these X Sabers. Stardust Shimmer. Select one Dragon type synchro monster in your grave or remove from play. Other monsters in your grave whose level equal to that level. Oh, okay. So I'll let you get your Stardust back if it gets destroyed. Or if you use it to stop an effect or something. Synchro Reflect. I've been doing nothing but dumping gems into this, hoping that I get something that I really need. Gen X Alley. Scrap Iron Statue. The Gen X and X Saber cards is really great to get. I really still want to keep working on those decks. Future Samurai. Another Gen X nigga. Like I said, that's all I wanted to do. Just wanted to see what I could pull. I pulled something interesting. That's always something. Hold on. Let me go to GX. Because like I said, they have a new event going on with Jaden. But I don't know, Duel has just been getting on my nerves. It's like, it's so stupid the way they've been having things set up so far. Like how I can't get to what I want to get to. But I'm not going to worry about it.
Let's win, my Destiny heroes.
I just want to see something. I just want to see what his deck is, because they say he has a new deck, Electrum deck. And I'm trying to see if you win any of his cards. I still need some more hero cards for Jaden. I haven't played with Jaden in a while. I need to get some more stuff. But 5Ds, I'm glad that they put this in there. It's just, I don't know. They've been slacking for me, and they've been getting on my nerves. Oh, I'm playing with the wrong deck. This is just auto. I just want to see what his deck is like right now. I don't have Destiny Heroes equipped to him. I thought I did. I haven't been on GX in a while, so my bad. Oh well. Flame Wingman. Clayman. Miracle Fusion. Okay. I was not expecting that. Uh-oh. Rampart Blaster. I don't really see this winning. It's just like I said, I didn't use Destiny Heroes. But this is kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. I like the way this. I like how way his deck is set up. I lost, but that's kind of cool. I like that. So he's using his heroes, and so his whole point of his thing is to make Electrum. That's kind of cool. Okay. Well, that'll be the end of the video. I just wanted to give an outlook to Jade, and I want to do some pack openings because I haven't done Duel Links in a while. What just happened? Oh. Guess you're getting it. All right. Sorry for that. That I just didn't want to stop it right there. But that's the end of the video. Peace.